Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how we can create ShareASale affiliate account and how we can earn commission from affiliate marketing. So let's get started. The link is already in the description below. In very short words, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product and getting commission from their sales. ShareASale has more than 1 million publishers and 30,000 merchants. Now we will sign up here. Here are now three options. You can join as a merchant, agency or affiliate. So now I will choose here as an affiliate because I am doing blogging and making YouTube content, etc. Up to ShareASale. Okay, now account creations. Now enter your login details, your username and enter your password and choose your country. And then step 2. Basic information, you have to enter your blog or YouTube channel link here. Website information, English, website content, no promotional strategies here. Click here on no. In email address, I will use my domain email. If you have your domain email, then enter here. If you don't have domain address, then you can enter your Gmail address here. Go to next page. In contact information page, enter your name, address, contact number and support pin and write your program description, that why you want to join and what will be your promoting strategy. SAT does not operate incentive programs. Ownership domain, yes, I own this domain. Yes, I verify. Go to next page. In payment information, we will choose later. Then finally click on complete sign up. Read the terms and condition here and complete sign up here. After that, you will get 2 emails and verify your emails. Then wait for 3 to 5 days. That's it.